Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're unboxing I'm Zsiga series vinyl plush pendant. There are 6 regular styles and 1 secret chase in this collection. Let's open it. Free spirited. This ID card looks like kids' crayon art, full of childlike charm. The little wolf design fits Zsiga so well. Wolf ears and wolf muzzle. Zsiga's feet are made of PU material. Foot details share the same facial vibe as Zsiga. Embroidered I'm Zsiga on its chest. Its fur feels a little spiky to the touch. Still our spiky little kid. It's not generic cute, but gentle with a prickly edge. Sincere. Sincerity is unguarded honesty, pure and bright. Its fur is softer than the free-spirited version, just like their personalities. Embroidery decorates both chest and ears. Dark tips accent the white fur, natural overall color matching. This white little wolf exudes a gentle vibe. Its head can rotate. Its fierce yet cute look is exactly tenderness with prickles. Veiled. It has a unique facial expression. It looks totally surprised. Its lively little expression is super lovely. Mysterious purple fur. Cute and playful, a one-of-a-kind Zsiga. These tiny fangs. Its colorway makes me crave taro treats. Strong-willed. It grins adorably, begging you for treats. Its sweet smile is adorable with chubby puffed cheeks. Incredibly soft. It's colored in dusty rose, such an easy-on-the-eye timeless shade. Shy. Hands raised up. Who's it trying to scare? Such a shy little cutie, blushing cheeks paired with a shy little smile. It comes in misty blue, feels similar to Veiled's texture. Just looking at it lifts your mood. Frank. A frank little wolf with lively green tone. Dual tone fur looks gorgeous with vibrant lively hues. Pouty unimpressed face paired with an honest personality. They seem to dislike each other. Two sweet little babies. That's all for today's unboxing. Follow me. See you next time. Bye bye.